In today's video, I'm going to show you how to write good AI prompts using a simple, practical workflow inside Notion. If you've ever felt like AI responses were too vague, too generic, or just not what you expected, it usually comes down to how the prompt is written. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to structure prompts so AI gives you clear, professional, and useful results every time. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more AI and productivity tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, start by going to your notes. In this example, I'm using Notion, but this concept works with any note-taking tool. Open the page that contains the raw notes or messy ideas you want the AI to work on. These could be meeting notes, project drafts, brainstorms, or incomplete thoughts. The key is that you already have some content for the AI to improve, not a blank page. Next, take a moment to edit your title if you haven't already. This step is often overlooked, but it's extremely important. A clear title gives the AI immediate context about what the content is about. Instead of something vague like Notes, use a descriptive title such as Project Alpha Notes Draft or Marketing Strategy Brainstorm. This helps guide the AI before you even write the prompt. After that, review the notes you want the AI to work on. Ask yourself what the end goal is. Do you want a summary, an outline, action steps, or a polished document? In this example, we're working with draft notes for a project called Project Alpha. The notes don't have to be perfect. In fact, the messier they are, the more helpful a good prompt can be. Now click on Notion AI. You can usually access this by highlighting text or clicking the AI option directly within the page. This opens up the prompt input where the real magic happens. This is where many people go wrong by typing something too short, like "summarize this." While that can work, it rarely gives the best possible result. Instead, type a clear and specific prompt. For example, type something like, "Act as an assistant. Clean up these notes into a professional summary with a next step section at the bottom." This prompt works well because it does several things. It tells the AI what role to take, what action to perform, the tone to use, and the exact structure you want in the output. This level of clarity dramatically improves the result. Once you submit the prompt, Notion AI will generate a polished summary based on your notes. You'll notice the language is clear, the ideas are organized, and the next step section gives you actionable takeaways. If the result isn't perfect, don't worry. You can refine it by adjusting the prompt, adding more detail, or asking the AI to rewrite it with a different tone or format. And just like that, you've learned how to write good AI prompts. The key takeaway is to always provide context, define the role, and specify the output you want. This approach works not just in Notion, but across tools like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and other AI assistants. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more AI tips, workflows, and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.